Hi everyone, I'm back again. I hope you are all doing good. Okay, this time I would like to share with you about top 5 feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you can use to make your phone screen more eyes friendly. As we all know, we are now using our phone almost every time, every day. Thus, choosing the right setting and utilizing the right feature for your display will really help you to prevent your eyes from developing a vision problem. Okay, let's start with number 5. We have extra dim feature. When extra dim feature is on, you can set your phone to dim the screen beyond the minimum brightness setting on your phone. So you will have more comfortable viewing. Moreover, when you are using your phone at night in a low light environment or simply if your eyes are sensitive to light. To enable extra dim feature, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on off switch next to extra dim until the switch turns blue to turn it on. If needed, you can adjust extra dim intensity. To do so, tap extra dim and then slide the adjustment bar below intensity to the right to increase the dimness intensity of the extra dim, or slide it to the left to decrease the dimness intensity of the extra dim. Next, number 4, we have eye comfort shield filter. When eye comfort shield filter is on, your phone will limit blue light and using warmer colors to keep your eyes comfortable. Also, based on research, using this feature at night can help you easily fall asleep. To enable eye comfort shield filter, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Tap eye comfort shield filter and then tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. As you can see, this feature has two modes, adaptive and custom. If you like automatization, you can choose adaptive. When you choose this mode, your phone will automatically adjust the screen color based on the time of day. However, when this mode is selected, you will see minor adjustment during the day and significantly warmer colors at night. Else, if you like to manually adjust the setting of this feature, you can choose custom mode. So you can manually adjust color temperature that's right for you. Set the schedule for when to apply it. And also choose whether you need your phone to adjust color tone and contrast for more comfortable viewing at night by enabling enhanced comfort option. Next, number 3, we have dark mode feature. When dark mode feature is on, your phone will use a light color text, icon, and graphical user interface element on a dark background. The dark mode can help you to reduce eye strain in low light condition and also conserve battery power because dark color will use less battery than light colors. To enable dark mode feature, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display and then tap dark thumbnail to easily enable dark mode. Next, number 2, we have color filter feature. When color filter feature is on, your phone will apply the selected color filter on your screen to provide you a better visibility in certain conditions, such as at night or in a low-light environment. To enable color filter feature, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Tap color filter and then tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. If needed, you can adjust the color filter opacity level by sliding the adjustment bar below opacity to the right to get more opaque filter when you enable color filter feature, or slide it to the left to get more transparent filter when you enable color filter feature. Here you can also change which color filter you like to apply. You can simply tap its color to see how it looks like when it's applied. As the example, you can try to apply red color filter to help you see what's on your screen better at night or while you are in a low light environment. Now, number 1, we have adaptive color tone filter. When adaptive color tone filter is on, your phone will automatically adapt the display based on your environment and light condition. This filter works by using the sensor to detect the light condition. If the light source is low, the display will automatically warm up, reducing harsh blue and creating a more comfortable viewing experience. While when the sensor detects that the light source is high, then the display will instantly cool down and brighten up so that you can easily see what's on your screen. To enable adaptive color tone filter, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display, tap display and then tap the gray on off switch next to adaptive color tone until the switch turns blue to turn it on. So, which feature you like the most? You can share your thoughts and experience while using that feature in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.